Once upon a time, a project manager could juggle deadlines, team dynamics, and shifting priorities all by themselves because they had all of that data in their head. No, that's not how it works. Without AI assistance, what you have instead is something like that. But here's the thing about project management. We're all putting out fires when we should be focusing on what really matters. For example, we spend hours hunting down status updates when we should be driving projects forward. And if you want to transform this chaos into clarity, AI is amazing. I mean, show me a project manager who doesn't love having an AI assistant. Okay, don't count Gary from accounting. He still prints emails and thinks the cloud is just bad weather. In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI is simplifying project management and how you can use it. We'll discuss real-world examples, tools, and more, so let's get started. First things first, what exactly is AI in project management? AI acts as your smart assistant by going beyond traditional PM tools. It turns raw scattered data, your arch nemesis, into actionable insights. Gartner predicts that by 2030, 80% of project management tasks will be handled by AI. But don't worry, AI won't replace you. Instead, it'll boost your efficiency, sharpen your vision, and empower you to drive projects to success. And while we humans might struggle with multitasking, I know I definitely do, AI thrives on it. So while you're managing team dynamics and client demands, AI quietly works in the background, crunching those numbers. Okay, so AI sounds great in theory, but how does it actually help in the real world of project management? Let's look at 6 powerful ways AI can transform your project management game. First up, AI can analyze workloads, skill sets, and team availability to recommend the best person for each task. No more guesswork or playing favorites. For example, if you're launching a marketing campaign, AI can match graphic designers with team tasks and content writers with copywriting assignments, ensuring everybody is working on what they do best. Mind blown. If that weren't smart enough, AI also helps you spot potential challenges before they become problems. After all, risk management is all about preparation. Fun fact is that project managers who use AI for risk assessment identify 35% more potential issues than those using traditional methods. Imagine a construction project where AI analyzes weather patterns and historical data to predict delays due to rain. By flagging these risks early, you can adjust timelines or resources, avoiding budget overruns. A project that stays on time and under budget, isn't that literally the stuff of your dreams? But we all know that keeping a project on schedule is easier said than done, especially when dependencies are involved. AI tools optimize your project timeline by analyzing how long each task takes and suggesting the most efficient order of execution. AI can even automatically reschedule dependencies in real time if one task takes longer than expected. Let's talk money now, shall we? Budget overruns can be a major headache, but AI adds precision by analyzing past spending patterns and real-time costs. During your product launch, AI might track costs in real time, alerting you if spending trends suggest a potential budget overflow. AI is a great teammate, but you still need to collaborate with actual humans to get projects to the finish line. Yet, AI helps streamline team collaboration too in so many ways. It writes statuses and stand-up updates, drafts progress reports based on task completion, and even auto-generates meeting agendas. It refines your messages and even auto-posts them to your chat channels. Plus, it can summarize long docs and chat with threads to keep you up to speed faster. 24% of people feel that repetitive tasks prevent them from doing more meaningful work. The fix? You guessed it. AI automates the routine stuff so you can create magic. Whether it's taking notes in a meeting, setting reminders, or following up, today's AI assistants are built to handle it all. Wondering which AI you should start with? You're spoiled for choice, from AI knowledge managers to AI writers and AI note takers. But what if one single AI could do it all? Meet ClickUp Brain, the world's smartest complete work AI. It has all your work context. Its neural network connects your tasks, documents, people, and company knowledge to give you your own project management command center. Here's how ClickUp Brain's AI stack revolutionizes project management. It's got enterprise AI search and ask. Need an answer fast? AI search has you covered. If you're in a client meeting and someone asks a question, you can get the answer right away from your ClickUp workspace and connected apps. No more awkward pauses. Want to spend more time strategizing and less time compiling data? Turn to AI fields that auto-populate with project updates and summaries. Stop inviting your teams to too many meetings. Generate daily or weekly stand-ups in one click and become their favorite colleague. Plus, you can even have AI prioritize backlog items and auto-assign them to the right person. Could AI be any smarter? Actually, it could. There's an AI meeting note taker that transcribes and extracts action items from your meeting. And autopilot agents that literally do all the work for you, answering questions, writing daily reports, reviewing and triaging requests. As I said, there's no reason for you to be stuck in the 90s doing all this work manually. Give yourself a break. Really. If not with KitKat, then with ClickUp. ClickUp's AI features let you work 3 times faster and save you over 1 day every week. If that isn't huge, I honestly don't know what is. Remember, AI won't replace project managers, it'll transform them into superheroes. It's time to don that cape. Sign up for ClickUp Brain today at clickup.com/brain.